Governor Ben Ayade of Cross River State. Recently, I went to your state in Cross River, that's Calabar. From the beginning of Calabar, in fact, the moment I enter Calabar, complain from the entrance of Calabar to the end. In case you don't know, everybody is complaining about your tenure. Complain from the beginning of Calabar to the end. Have you ever seen that kind of thing? They complain like this, so complain to the end. People are saying that, in fact, before I even say what I want to say, share this video. So this video can get to Governor Ben Ayade of Cross River. Let him hear what, because sometimes the people around this man don't like to tell them the truth. They censor a lot of things. But me, I want to tell you, Governor, let me tell you the truth. They are saying you didn't do well. Anybody that say you did well, they are lying to you, pa. They are saying you did not do anything. They say the former governor, Donald Duke, is the person that did heaven and earth in that state. That the state is now poor, there is no money, poverty is the order of the day in the state, there is no job, the commercialization of the state has gone down drastically. I went to the state. Calabar is very dull. The Calabar I used to hear, Kai, before they will tell you, if you want to go and enjoy life, go to Calabar. Even those recreational centers that you have, Obudikato Ranch, Marina, and the rest of them, they are not fancy again. People are not craving to go there. Because all this thing and maintenance, it's not by bringing development, it's by maintaining the development. How much have you maintained the development of all these facilities that they have created, the former governor have brought down? They are complaining. Before, if I hear Calabar, they will say, you don't go Calabar. If you see as Calabar is sweet, Calabar is this, Calabar is that, Calabar. If you see pine girls, because of the poverty rate, the pine girls cannot maintain themselves again. There are no pine girls in Calabar. I went to Calabar, I didn't see one pine girl. Calabar that I'll be here in Calabar, I didn't see one pine girl. One. All the girls I'm seeing, long neck. Hunger has made all their neck long. No food, no money, no cream, black skin, all of them. The ones that is pale before you see the skin is not fresh again. Because no money, no maintenance. Before they say if you go to Calabar, you will see big, nothing. I not see anything. Flat, hunger. So if anybody is deceiving you that you did well in Cross River State, they are lying to you, pa. Because first-hand information I have from the state is that you didn't do anything. Yes, let me even not lie to you, Governor. This one is me telling you, I'm not trying to spoil your business, but go back to your hotel. That's your hotel that is there. You know the hotel now, I stayed there now. The service is poor. If they don't want to tell you, let me tell you. The service is poor. The service of the hotel is not up to standard. Fine hotel you have, but the service is bad. They embarrass me in the counter now. They embarrass me. Talk to me, and the receptionist was talking to me and telling me, I don't want to mention his name. There is governor. You have faults on every angle, bro. Don't come to television and be crying for us. Any small thing, you don't start to cry for us for television. Then they cry. No, this is not a crime matter. If you want to succeed politically, you have to do some review of your system, your modes of operandum. Even as I'm talking now, somebody will say this one don't have sense. Why will he come and say the governor hotel? I don't have sense. That's why I'm doing it. Yes. But I'm telling you that I am the spice creator. That is my title. And I'm proud of it. Google me if you like. Don't Google me. That is your business.